Hi, I'm Jonathan Rosenfeld. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Chicago, Illinois. One of the more difficult types of cases that my office works on is wrongful death lawsuits brought by the family of a person who was killed in an accident or due to professional negligence. Under Illinois law, the family of a person killed in an accident can file a lawsuit against the party responsible for the death of their family member. Wrongful death lawsuits in Illinois are governed by the Illinois Wrongful Death Act, which sets forth with specificity who can bring a wrongful death lawsuit. Without getting too specific, the spouse and/or the children of the deceased person can initiate a lawsuit for economic damages for wrongful death. The damages in a wrongful death lawsuit are similar to other types of personal injury cases. In most situations, a wrongful death lawsuit can pursue compensation for medical expenses, including the cost of your loved one's medical and emergency care prior to their passing, funeral expenses, including the cost of providing funeral and burial services to lay to rest your loved one, pain and suffering, including compensation for the deceased pain and suffering prior to their death, loss of consortium, which includes the emotional anguish that accompanies the loss of a valued family member, lost income, such as the value of the deceased's financial contribution to the family, including the loss of benefits and income. And lastly, punitive damages are awarded to punish the party responsible for your loved one's passing. Upon the settlement or judgment entered in a Chicago wrongful death lawsuit, a judge will need to approve the settlement and determine how the proceeds will be distributed to the surviving spouse and kin, depending on their level of dependency, closeness, and relationship with the deceased. Another important thing to consider is that all wrongful death lawsuits are governed by a statute of limitations. In Illinois, wrongful death lawsuits must be filed within 2 years from the date of the death. This is a general rule, but there are exceptions which can shorten the time requirements, so you should consult with an attorney about your situation. If you lost a loved one in an accident or due to negligent care at a medical facility, you may have grounds to file a wrongful death lawsuit to recover compensation. As with all of my cases, wrongful death lawsuits are handled on a contingency fee basis, where we only receive a legal fee when we are successful in obtaining a recovery on your behalf. I look forward to discussing your situation with you.